Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to combine two cells in Google Sheets. If you want to combine the content of two cells, we cannot use the merge because only the contents of the top left cell will be retained. For this example, we will combine the contents of the hoop and body of sample posts. First, click on the cell where you want the result. Then, type this formula. Equal sign, then click the first cell, type ampersand, double quotation marks, space, double quotation marks, ampersand, then click the next cell. This combines the cell contents with the space in between. Press enter. To copy this, click the cell and hover over the bottom right corner of the cell where you see a small blue circle until your cursor transforms into crosshairs. Click and drag down. Google Sheets will automatically copy the formula. So, that is how you combine two cells in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.